Good morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comment. So overnight we had prices for the beans and wheat higher while corn continues to trend lower. Not a lot of news over the weekend. I think that last week markets were down because of talk about recession, talk about maybe a more closer to normal U.S. Midwest 2-week forecast, and the possibility of just the fact that demand might be affected by a recession. I think over the weekend, the bean market is trying to rebound from the recent lows in hopes that this week we'll get some information maybe about new demand. Also, we'll be looking at the planted acres as of June 1st and stocks as of June 1st. Outside markets, stock market continues to firm after Friday's rally. Dollar's lower and crude oil is up a little bit, trying to test some key moving average resistance levels after the last couple of weeks decline. The wheat market trying to bounce a little bit. I think that there is a little bit of demand around by North African countries and maybe Bangladesh, Pakistan, and not a lot of wheat for sale out of Russia because due to restrictions both from an insurance standpoint and fixing a freight standpoint. The war continues in Ukraine and could reduce the amount of corn and amount of wheat that comes out of Ukraine. The corn market, I think, rallied on Friday on concerns about weather, probably taking some of those profits out. The 2-week forecast is kind of mixed. I think that overall in the Midwest, you'll see temperatures slightly above normal. Rainfall is not going to be abundant. It'll be spotty and showers, activities. And so we have to figure out the crop yields, especially corn, as we get closer to that pollination time frame, and what the impact, maybe some warm temperatures and scattered showers has on the final corn yield. So again, headlines is recession, what's going to happen in the G7 meeting if they try to reduce mandates on ethanol production, what's going to happen as far as the war and impact it has on supply satisfying demand, and then the USDA reports. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day, and remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.